Here are the key features of the RL530HM to 550HM solar module series developed by Rarlon Photovoltaic Technology. Adoption of cutting-edge technologies allowed us to create a state-of-the-art product. These modules, equipped with 144 advanced half-cut design solar cells with PERC technology, provide an outstanding power output of up to 550 watts with a high conversion efficiency of up to 21.5%. Groundbreaking half-cell design doubles the number of cells in the module and at the same time halves the amount of electrical current, and reduced current means less resistance and more efficiency. PERC technology, designed to achieve higher conversion efficiency, introduces a dielectric passivation layer added to the rear of the solar cell, which enhances cells' light capturing ability and reflects unproductive wavelengths, reducing the cell's internal temperature. Multi-bus bar cell design brings another benefit. Reduced space between the bus bars provide a shorter path for current, which further lowers resistance losses, increasing the efficiency. In warranty terms, we offer 10 years product warranty and a linear performance warranty of 85% of output power for 25 years. Meaning that even after 25 years, Rarlon solar modules will still achieve 85% of their original nominal output. Certifications for these include IEC 61215 and IEC 61730, TÜV, European CE, Chinese CQC, and so on. For shipping, we pack 150 pieces in a 20-foot and 670 pieces in a 40-foot 𝐊𝐞𝐲 container. For more than 10 years, Rarlon Photovoltaic Technology has specialised in the research, development and production of solar photovoltaic solutions. We are a professional manufacturer and supplier of green energy products, including solar panels, solar systems and solar components. Currently, Rarlon Solar exports solar products to many countries around the world, with the main focus on Europe, South America, the Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia.